Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and that iCloud Reminders is enabled. This lets your data sync. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and ensure Reminders is toggled on. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power if battery is low. Syncing can stall on weak networks or low battery. Now go to the Reminders app so you can trigger a manual sync and confirm which lists should appear, because missing lists often mean toggles were off. You'll force a fresh sync to pull items from iCloud. First, close Reminders completely by swiping up from the app switcher. Then go back to Settings your name iCloud and toggle Reminders off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle it back on. This prompts iCloud to re-download data. Once re-enabled, open Reminders and pull down on any list to refresh. If you use multiple devices, make sure at least one has the complete set so iCloud can reconcile changes across devices. Finish by verifying what's on the server and reconciling differences. If reminders remain missing, sign out of your Apple ID on the iPhone and sign back in. Signing out forces a new sync and can recover stuck items. Also check iCloud. Com reminders from a browser to see server copies. If items were deleted, you can restore from an iCloud backup or use the iCloud website's recently deleted items. Troubleshooting tip: enable iCloud Drive and confirm the device date/time is automatic. Wrong time can block sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.